Rich Tarani in the TMC newsroom. Thanks for watching. We're on our Dallas Roadshow this week, 2015, September 2015. Sanjay Bhatia is with us. He is with Genband. And Sanjay, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you. Good, Rich. Nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you, too. Today's a big day. It's yes. Birthday day for Candy. But before we get into that, just give me like 20 seconds on what Genband does.
Well, so Genband is all about enabling real-time communication solutions, and we do that with software, and we do that for service providers, enterprises, system integrators, and software developers.
Very succinct. Great. And so you unveiled last year something called Candy, K-A-N-D-Y. You had a big party in San Francisco, rolling it out. Tell us a little bit about Candy.
Well, so what Candy is all about is it's our platform as a service offering, and it basically, via APIs and SDKs, enables what we call embedded communications. And what embedded communications is enabling real-time communications into existing business workflows. And so it allows developers to develop all kinds of communications applications with those integrated workflows.
And you've got a mix of customers between carriers to companies that are putting together solutions for e-commerce, medical. SAP is doing some things in call centers and CRM, right?
That's absolutely right. So we've got service providers, we've got network cloud providers like Mastergy's deployed a visual voice attendant using Candy as a platform. We've got Telepsych that's done a kind of a suicide prevention app. So there's so many different applications that our customers are deploying. And so as this anniversary in the first year, we've already got about 15 million subscribers utilizing the Candy platform with 1,500 new customers on board, just all within a year, right? So we're seeing tremendous amount of growth and interest in this exciting real-time communications technology.
Great. What other things should we know about?
Well, so yeah, we just announced, my star writer, or we have got a new customer that we announced on Candy this morning as well. That's a transcription service where physicians can actually, use the app to basically communicate with a transcriber at the other part of the world. So what we're seeing is, there's so many different applications that need real-time communications embedded in them, and Candy is just the perfect platform to enable that with our cloud.
And how does that work with the endpoints? What is a physician using? He's using an app, and then what's happening on the other end?
Yeah, so the endpoints, we are agnostic to the end devices, and it's using technologies like WebRTC to enable seamless communications using things like tablets, iPads, etc., or mobile phones, all of the above. In fact, our Fring application is based on the Candy platform itself, and Fring is used by many service providers to offer mobile OTT solutions to service provider customers like Buoy, like PLDT, etc. So we're seeing all kinds of applications of the Candy platform across different market segments: service providers, enterprises, and then system integrators such as SAP and IBM and others that are all utilizing the platform to create some very unique value-added capabilities.
So what is going to be the trend that wins out? And I don't know if these are mutually exclusive, but I'll throw them out. You've got companies going to virtualize services from bespoke hardware to software, and then you've got this move to platform as a service, services that can be purchased and resold to customers. Which of those wins out, or will they both take off and just grow forever?
Well, we think eventually, the full-blown cloud services are going to be the mechanism for deployment of services, right? But for now, of course, you're going to see parallel approaches in the marketplace, right? But in terms of both the technology as well as the business models, all of them are evolving as you speak, right?
So to some degree, that means that hybrid cloud is coming, based on the way you're saying
absolutely,
it. Okay.
Yes. And we're good at hybrid approaches because we enable the transition of networks and customers from technology A to technology B, and we really excel at what we call transformation.
Okay.
And that's where Genband is very good at.
So you just so you're good at transformation. If I'm a carrier and I'm looking at working with Genband or another company in the spaces that you compete, what are some of the other reasons that I choose Genband over competitive solutions?
Well, so that's a great question, Rich. So we are of a size and scale that basically we have a great services organization that enables all the transformation to happen. The level of support needed, the customer care needed, right? So we're not a point solution company. We're a relatively good scale company that has a portfolio of solutions to offer our customers to enable them to work with us closely. And then we work with larger partners as well in the context of things like NFV. We partner with HPs and Intels of the world and Wind River. So we do work with partners and ecosystems when needed, and NFV is an example of where we do that very effectively.
Great. Anything else we should know?
No, Rich, we are very excited with this first year anniversary of Candy. We have seen tremendous interest in all the market segments that I talked about. So we are very excited to be moving on into the software world and the cloud world, and we are right on track as far as we're concerned, and we're very excited to see the real-time communications taking hold in many, many different business workflows.
Fantastic. Thanks for being on the program. This was great.
Thank you, Rich.